Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of fake human verification alerts that are associated with the site webvanadverdesign.com. This is a misleading website that displays fake human verification alerts. It tries to make you click on a special allow button to make you subscribe to the great portion of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. If you click on allow, these ads will become active and permanent, and they will extremely distract you while you surf the internet. To deactivate these ads, access the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious sites if you find them here on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of these malicious websites. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.